anybody who you think deserves one.
A gold star.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna take pictures.
This filming should glow in the dark, just for the record. Wait, what is it? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to test it out for me.
From 6 to 9. Oh, find out. Yeah. How do you open it?
Are you ready for this?
Wait, you go to East, right?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Wait, I have an idea. Wait, like hit me in the shoulder. Like, slap in the shoulder.
Oh my god, can I just like slap
Go. Go.
No, I meant because a bunch of people here back in college is not going to expect we're in town.
Every winter we get some geese that come to our lawn, and they're here now, which is both a comfort and not, because they poop, and they poop everywhere, and it's not very fun.